What's up, guys? Back at the boatyard today. It's Friday, so it's super windy, so I apologize if the audio on this is kind of jacked up, but today's going to be a short day. I'm really only going to do a couple things here at the yard today. Shot the epoxy barrier coat on that today. I might block that out, but I need to finish working on this piece here, so I need to clean this all up and make this look good. And then the main reason I came today is to work on this. This is all epoxied in. This is epoxied in nice and solid. Take the screws out of here, and then I need to put the glass on the outside of this and then get this ready to be faired out. So that's on the agenda today, and let's just get to it. Alright, so this polyester cured up pretty good, so I just want to point out some of the things that aren't good and I need to fix. So I forgot to grind this edge down right here, so the glass didn't lay flat. You can see I got a big air pocket here and here, so I'm gonna have to grind this out and redo it. I did see it when I was putting the glass down, but the resin was getting ready to kick, so there really was nothing I could do to kind of fix it unless I just pulled it off completely. So I'm just gonna have to grind this out a little bit here as well, and got a little overlap in the glass here. This is up a little bit. I should have trimmed this a little more narrow, but all in all, the inside's perfect. I mean, obviously there's not much to do in there, so that just tied it all together. So I'm gonna get to cleaning that up, and then I'm gonna probably patch it with some more 1708 and then put chop strand to tie this all together. All right, so everything cleaned up pretty well, so I had to grind out some of the bubbles here and some of the air bubbles here I had around this edge, and right here I had to grind this out. So I'm gonna put some filler in here, and that should help it radius around this corner again. But I think what I'm gonna do is just get this top piece, because this is a lot thicker because there's a core mat in there than the side. So I'm gonna get this top built up pretty close to flush. This thing had a little dip in it when he brought it to me. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm gonna try to get this perfectly flat for him as well. And then everything else came out pretty good. So this should take probably one layer of chop strand here just to tie this all together, and then I can take the tape off and sand it smooth. So I'm going to wrap up this video now. It's just a short Friday workflow session in this video. I just really wanted to come in and try to get a little bit of a jump on this project, because I know the customer is going to be asking for this probably next Tuesday or Wednesday. So he's in the middle of the project and he's going to need it. But I'm trying to pump out these videos, you know, as many of them as I can. I don't make any money from these videos. I have 300 or some subscribers, and I spend a lot of time doing these videos. So if you want to support the channel in some way, my other company is called petrolburn.com, and back in 2012 I founded a vintage motorcycle, hot rod, gasoline culture lifestyle brand, and that's my full-time gig. And it, you know, what gives me the ability to work on boats. A lot of the stuff I do is a lot of my own personal projects. So if you'd like to support this channel in some way, that would be a great way to do it. You can head over to petrolburn.com, and if you're into cars, trucks, bikes, anything like that, I have a lot of stuff on that website that you might be interested in. So check it out, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and next week I'll wrap up this piece and got some other stuff to make some videos on as well. So appreciate it again, guys. See you in the next one.